New scoreboard, about 1.25 million worth of a new scoreboard, biggest, along with new lighting system coming in. Hopefully, right now they're tearing it down. By the end of the week, should be there. It's the highest depth type board. Almost one of the largest. I think Westlaco might be a little bit bigger than ours, but it's the highest definition, the quality, new sound system, and everything else involved. And we're doing it from the ground up. Well, we're going to be able to do more advertisement and recognizing more and more kids. I know as a department before we just run the game and that was about it, but now we're looking at fundraising and doing things like that for the school, for the district, and for our community, and recognize more of our kids, drill teams and all that. I just a picture, do actual presentations that we do, and just try to use it as a big advertisement tool for the district. As our lights were a little bit kind of outdated, so we've got a new brand new type of lighting system that lights up the whole stadium. It's really direct lighting instead of the indirect lighting. So that'll be coming in, I think, starting next week. The shipment, we've already torn down the old ones. We're getting ready to ship those to fixed assets, and the other one should be coming in at the end of the month. And in 2 weeks, the new system will be up.